Sephora ladies be like, so we're gonna cover up God's mistakes. I literally see colors every time you dab my eye. I don't want you to damage my corneas. What the heck is a cornea? The cornucopia from Hunger Games? Also, I forgot to take out my mustache, so can you cover it up? I'm so yellow. There's Minions, Simpsons, and then there's me. So right now, I'm just like covering stuff. Do I have to tell people what I'm doing? Like, when they're like, so now I'm gonna go in with this sponge and then I'm gonna dab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Don't they know how many followers you have? I don't know, like -2. Oh, sorry, no, -2 is your bank account, my bad. Look who's talking, I'm buying you Taco Bell. When I sweat, I smell like McDonald's. Wait, so you also smell like a
Big Mac with extra cheese, 6 chicken McNuggets, and a Diet Coke?
We literally smell them. Yeah, it's pretty bad. You wouldn't want to be in here with us. So I know this isn't your skin tone, but like, who cares? No, neither is all the other beauty gurus. I could name a few names, but I'm not popular enough, so I'm gonna get dragged. Don't smile. Help, I'm self-doubting myself. It's okay, we can just blame it on the lighting like all the other beauty gurus. You can wipe it on it, it's okay. Oh my gosh, it got the pad wet. Life hack! What? I don't understand why you're leaning back so much when I do this. Because you're beating my face. Why do you think it's called literally beating someone's face? I honestly never use foundation ever. I mean, me neither. But that's because, you know, Jesus is my foundation. It's almost 4 o'clock. You haven't even done my eyeshadow. I can leave. All right then, I'll stay. You're so ugly. when you're Bro, I was craving cereal. Tell me why we got a Raisin Bran and I sadly ate it. You should know better. The only cereal in a Hispanic household is cornflakes. By the way, people will say that I'm doing your nose contour wrong because technically it is wrong. I honestly don't even know enough to care, so I should ask for Q&A right now. Do it. Do the roar. Excuse me, that was my hiccup. How do I become a baddie like y'all? To be a baddie, all you need to do is build a fake life on Instagram. It's really easy. Put on an outfit and you go somewhere and you take a picture to make people think that you have a life outside. When in reality, you don't. You really don't. Like, you really don't. No, I really don't. Fake it till you make it, sweaty. Also, eat your homework and do your vegetables. Hello, B. Honestly, that means so much to me, you don't even know. That's very sweet. Oh my god. I know. It hits me down in my feels. How did you guys meet? Actually, it's a really funny story. You were adopted. I just need to clear this up. The reason she makes so many adopted jokes is not because there's something wrong with being adopted. No, of course not, no. One time, her, my sister, and my mom all teamed up against me and convinced me I was adopted. In Hispanic culture, you have your dad's last name and your mom's last name. I only had my dad's, but she and my other sister have both. So I told my mom, Mom, why don't I have your last name? And I guess they all took this opportunity to play a joke on me. And my mom was like, you don't have my last name because you're not my daughter. And you guys brought so much evidence that made sense. Like, why do you think you don't look like your sisters? Why do you think you only look like dad and not mom? Yeah, you look like dad. But your other sisters look like me. So I genuinely believed I was adopted and I cried. And then after after a good amount of crying, my mom was like, bruh, I'm kidding. You're literally my child. I birthed you. What can I say except you're adopted? So I'm just gonna take my really busted Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette to show you guys the final look. So. Oh, I forgot finishing spray.
Oh.
Try to breathe, but don't breathe it in. Stop breathing. Ready? Okay. Don't get too close or else I'm gonna hit your maceta. So here is the final look. I'm shook. Like, I actually look my age for once. And I look like a grown woman. You feeling it? I'm feeling the fantasy.
I'm hungry.
Thank you.
さらに2人加わっている。すげえ。
もう新しい情報に変わってたのか。
ボディーガードが7人、もしくはそれ以上か。